8 inches. What are we talking about? Stick around and I'm going to share with you several 8-inch products that you need for your carpet cleaning floor care business. Stay tuned. So the world of 8 inches starts with the Cimex machine. The 19-inch Cimex uses these 4862 pad drivers. And if you take a close look at these drivers, they actually have a nice Velcro front to them that faces the pad. Great sticking capability on the back side. You got the grommets that hold it on. Now that's kind of where we start the world of 8-inch. We start with a FiberPlus pad. So for example, for cleaning carpet, the most common FiberPlus pad that we use for the Cimex is the Beige FiberPlus pad. Now these pads are designed with an elastomeric property that gives them good ability to hold up to carpet cleaning, because naturally carpet cleaning just rips through the pads. These pads last very well. We had them formulated with more elastomeric binder, kind of a rubberized property that holds them together well, and they've got the perfect amount of agitation for carpet cleaning straight across the board. We also have the FiberPlus Max, which are these gray pads. Now they don't have the elastomeric property like the Beige pads, so they're going to wear out faster, but they also scrub faster. So it's kind of a trade-off. They wear out faster, but they scrub fast. So again, you'd use those on the 4862 pad drivers for the Cimex machine, for the 19-inch Cimex. One more pad I might mention for the Cimex that we carry are these lightning strip pads. Now that's a very thin strip pad, and it's got a really open weave. You can't really probably see it on camera, but the weave is very open and it doesn't get clogged up with floor finish as you strip. They're super efficient and they last like crazy, and they cut like a razor blade. They just cut the finish off the floor. They're really a phenomenal pad. When we sourced this pad, we recognized that we had a real winner, and it's been a rock solid product all along. So if you're stripping VCT, floor finish, that sort of thing, you'll want to use the lightning strip pad. Now, in addition to the 4862 pad driver that I mentioned a moment ago, we also have this very cool device that we brought in here at Excellent Supply. It's called a drill driver. Now the drill driver also has Velcro on the facing side, and on the back it has this little shaft that can be unscrewed out of the back. You can put this in a drill. Now here's the cool thing about it. Using this with a drill, particularly a drill that has like the side handle attachment, because you need a little bit more stability. You can use it with the FiberPlus pads, or you can use the drill driver with bonnets. For example, the Microfiber Glide bonnet, super popular bonnet for residential carpet cleaning. So like, let's say you're doing stairs or steps, you could use bonnets with the drill driver. Gives you ability to get really good agitation, very quick, very simple. Works really well with the 8-inch drill driver, particularly one with the side handle for bonnet cleaning. So you've got the Microfiber Glide, your FiberPlus, or Microfiber Scrub Bonnet, which gives you more agitation with those little scrub strips in there. We have those in the 8-inch size also, or the Tuway thin one bonnets. These are an old standard classic, very popular. We still sell a lot of these. Great all-around bonnet. So there's 3 bonnet options for the drill driver. Of course, any of those can also be included on the 4862 pad drivers for the 19-inch Cimex. So you've got a lot of different 8-inch options for either the Cimex or for the drill driver. In addition to those items that we're talking about, I also wanted to mention the possibility of doing marble, terrazzo, concrete. When it comes to polishing, we have these Diamond Plus pads, and they come in 400, 800, 1500, or 3000. And so they're numbered on the back. You get a number on the back. On the other side, you've got these dots, which kind of gives you a little indicator as to how much it's still working. That's the side you put down. And this is coated, this is actually coated on this side with diamond abrasive. So in this case, that's our 400, 800, the diamond abrasives right there on the back, and 1500 or the 3000. So what you do is you start with the lower number, 400, 800, 1500, 3000 and you step through it. That gives you the ability to take a floor that has some scratches, light scratches, just dulled out terrazzo or marble floor, for example, and just bring up a beautiful shine. One more option that I want to mention are the Bonastre pads. We have the burgundy, the yellow, and the green Bonastre pads, and similar to the Diamond Plus pads, the Bonastre pad system is super simple, and you just go through the 3 different pads and it gives you the ability to bring up a great shine. So if you're dealing with a floor that isn't completely beat, I mean, if it's really trashed, you're going to need to grind with discs, and we have all the resin discs and the metal abrasives and so forth. So if you really need to do restoration, we got you covered here at Excellent Supply. But when it just comes to using your Cimex that you already have for carpet cleaning and bringing a floor back, a hard surface floor like terrazzo or marble, polished concrete, you just want to bring the shine back up, the Diamond Plus or the Bonastre pads work really well. So as you can see, we have a lot of 8-inch options for either the 4862 driver or the drill driver. You might want to consider picking up a drill driver. It's so handy to be able to use this with all of the pads that you'd use on your Cimex machine. So basically what we're doing with the drill driver is we're enabling you to take all of those items that you'd use on your 19-inch Cimex machine and use it on a hand tool like a drill with a side handle. So hopefully that will open up some opportunities for you to do more, whether it's carpet cleaning or stone restoration or a little bit of bonnet cleaning, you name it. We've got all of it here at Excellent Supply. One more way that we help you max your end cap. So thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, share your comments below. Maybe you've already got a drill driver and you're using it and you're liking it. Hopefully that's the case. And if we can help you here at Excellent Supply, just let us know. I'll put the links to all of these items below as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.